Geography defines East Tennessee. History defines its people. The spirit of history and heritage envelops this land like the morning mist. The history that dwells in the hearts and minds of East Tennesseans is evident in the many historic sites, markers, and structures scattered across the region. Even more eloquent are the treasured heirlooms which, through their passing from generation to generation, spark a personal interest with family history and strengthen our shared bonds as East Tennesseans. For over 180 years, the East Tennessee Historical Society has continued the work of our founders to preserve the ever-developing story of the region. We continue to share this history through teacher and student education, public lectures, high-profile speakers, and special events. Partnerships across our 35 counties and 49 affiliate chapters unite the region to preserve our story for future generations. Headquartered in the East Tennessee History Center in downtown Knoxville, the Historical Society provides a wealth of resources. In the award-winning Museum of East Tennessee History, visitors come face-to-face with the past as they encounter Native Americans, the region's frontier settlers, Civil War soldiers, country music legends, and civil rights heroes. A rare string of Cherokee beads, a blood-stained shirt from the Civil War, fine furniture by an African-American craftsman remind us of the lives of the everyday folks who form the backbone of the region. The Natalie L. Haslam Gallery features the museum's signature exhibition, Voices of the Land, highlighting 3 centuries of life in East Tennessee as told through the words, stories, and more than 600 artifacts of those who lived it. Since opening in 2008, public response has been overwhelming. TripAdvisor has consistently rated the museum among the top 10 Knoxville area attractions. While continuing to preserve the region's history, our traveling exhibits and education outreach expand the scope of ETHS across the state. More than 9,000 students annually experience the museum as a classroom through education outreach and museum visits. Additionally, the Historical Society, through its award-winning teacher professional development workshops and Teach Tennessee History website, provides thousands of teachers history-related educational resources. ETHS established the East Tennessee History Day as an affiliate of National History Day in 2001. What began with 75 students now surpasses 3,500, a 4,000% increase. East Tennessee students are remarkably competitive at the national level, having taken 4 first-place medals, 2 second-place, and numerous special prizes. Genealogy classes and heritage programs such as the First Families of Tennessee and Civil War Families of Tennessee encourage personal connections to history. ETHS hosts nationally prominent speakers at special events and noted regional historians and authors throughout the year. And the ever-increasing crowds at the annual History Fair reflects a deep and continuing community pride in the history of the area. History lovers of all ages have a blast from the past in a blend of music, food, and family activities. Heading toward a second century, the East Tennessee Historical Society daily lives out our mission to preserve, interpret, and promote the history of East Tennessee. We know history gets exciting when you make it personal. Why not make your history personal and become a member today?